Good morning, everybody. It's Friday, long weekend, almost long weekend. I suspect Monday to be a little bit slow, lower volume, but we got green future thanks to PCE. Market jumped. We're getting close to the high of this year. Apple is rocketing up past $3 trillion market cap. So we're heading for a good start. Let's see if it's gonna hold up or what. Um, all right. So pre-market, as you can see here, the 5 minutes jumped up. So everything is upward. 15:30, all the indicators are up. All we need is a daily MACD golden cross. If the daily MACD golden cross on the indexes or any other name, we are up on the run. Um, right, there is but just there is one thing to keep in mind with this run up right now. We are in a bull market, yes, but at the same time, keep in mind that there is something called double top, and that's a scenario that's a possibility that gotta be careful about it. Double top means like something that, let me show you here, something that comes up like this. It comes down a little bit, goes up again, and then it starts going down again. So we just hope that doesn't happen. Right now we're getting close. The high of this season on the ES is 44.93. So most likely we're gonna go there. I mean, who knows? Maybe we hit it today. So if it does hit it and it passes it strong, then it's gonna be like this, go up. So just be careful when it gets up there. We gotta see the market actions there or any news or anything that happens. That's just one scenario to keep in mind. But we still have room to go. Anyhow, pre-market right now direction is up. 4 hour is bullish. It's going to the power zone. So it's all about opening action. If we open up and run up higher, we are run to go. Um, NQ much higher. Index is much greener than other index, so which means techs are more stronger today. And 15 461. Let me show you here. Yeah, that's the target. Possible to come today. We'll see. The high of this season was 15,475, so there is a possibility we get there. What else we got here? TNX is coming down. That's good news a little bit. And if the 1 hour MACD dead crosses, right now already 15:30 is downward. If the 1 hour goes down, that's good. That's gonna be a good catalyst to help market go up. DXY is pulling back. That's another good news. So if it continues going lower, right now pre-market direction is downward. So if DXY, if it stays just flat, it's fine. If it goes down, it could help market squeeze up higher. As always, if it turns around, comes back, not gonna be good. Wix direction is downward. That's good. If it goes below 1307, it can help the market squeeze higher. BTC making a new high. Yeah, made a new high this morning. 3173 730. So if it passes that one, we are on the go. It's funny, if you pay attention to Bitcoin last few days, even though Bitcoin wasn't running up, it was staying in the flat range, all the Bitcoin related stocks, they were continuing going higher. So that's something to keep in mind. Like Mara, look at Mara. So Mara reached my target 1435, and above that, next target is the main next target is 1868. Let me just add Mara here to keep it on the watch for today. All right. So Apple surprisingly got an upgrade. It was just, it just needed a trigger, some catalyst to run up higher. And it did get it with the upgrade yesterday after close. And boom, 2 points higher. I mean, lucky whoever had the Lotto. 190 was 50 cents. Right now it's going for 4x $2 at least. 2.5 maybe. And next target is 194, 196.96. Apple is something really interesting. Apple made a new high like in 2022, and then may come down and made a huge cup. So right now is at this point it's a little bit higher. So the question is if it's gonna break it and go higher, or it's gonna create a cup and handle and go higher. But right now is in this mode, so it's on the rise. And until the 4 hour, not showing any dark blue bar, this can continue going higher. Earning is in 4 weeks. probably 3 4 weeks. So this one 196.96, small chance. I mean, doubt it comes today, but 94 is possible, but 196 is highly possible to come next week. 196.96. um and also keep in mind, if it pulls back, if 5 and 15 dead cross confirms, 191 support, and these are the lower level, just in case it pulls back. You never know. Amazon, Amazon, it's very funny. Last few days, every day, P2C, it was so high. Put to I'm sorry, so low. Put to calls was so low. Even though it was falling, people were still loading up calls. So this one is bull flagging right now, and it's still in its inside range unless it goes below 126.95. Then it breaks the bull flag on the daily. You can see here. 126.95 was the support for the bottom of the range. So it needs to break 132 to run up higher and gives a crazy jump up. 131.49 was the top of the bull flag, and breaks that one, it's gonna probably give a massive jump up. Apple made a new, making a new all-time high. Amazon and Microsoft made a new all-time high last few weeks, and then it's all about like, other names to join too. Meta is getting close to the all-time high. Tesla is not, it's still far, but it's all about Amazon too. Amazon, Google, these names, keep an eye on them, because if other names, if big names, if one set of big names making an all-time high, the others should almost follow them too. So anyhow, Amazon. Keep an eye on that one. 4 hour, we're getting yellow bar right now, red bar. So if that one golden cross confirms, it's gonna go. Nvidia, 5 points higher. This one is becoming so volatile, so be careful playing it. Anytime there could be a news or something from White House. In general, AI's market is very hot. It's on the run, and there is a lot of demand for chips and AI stuff. So Nvidia, of course, is the top name in the AI right now. But at the same time, government is cracking down a little bit on it. Be cautious on it, playing put or calls anyway. Right now, 414 is the next key level to watch in this AM this morning. If it passes it, 417 and 420. Passes that one, 422 and higher level. But at the same time, right now, last few days, it was just going up and down between 405 and 417, and these are the levels. 4 hour giving some hope. It's very getting bullish. TTM squeeze is on the run. We're getting more light blue bars. Weekly, if the daily chart and the statistic fast, we get a golden cross, that could be a good sign to run up higher. Baba yesterday was very weak, and this morning PC is helping it a little bit. It still has way to go. Wait for the 4 hour golden cross to confirm, then you can go higher. 84.45 passes, then we can go to the higher level. Bidu, yesterday gap down big, gap down and then continue going lower. Historically, when Bidu goes down, it goes multi-day down. So I was expecting it to go down more, but it was interesting that at 2 p.m. I noticed that some people started loaning 136 calls, and they're in the money right now. So 137, 137.27, that's a key level to watch. If 137.27 passes, then it can go higher level, 138, 141, and direction right now at 15:30, 1 hour is upward. Netflix, 5 points higher. It's all about 437.76. Pre-market right now, everything looks up. 4 hour, it gave a dark blue bar, but then right now, again light blue bar. Yesterday gave it, but right now 4 hour is upward, and the 1 hour is golden crossing. So this one does have a little bit chance of jump up. It's all about 134 and 137 to pass. 134, I'm sorry, 437.76 passes that one. 439, 443, and 446 is, and 446.77 is the next major level. Meta, um, it was weaker yesterday, but right now, thanks to PC, is coming up. But the 4 hour, not yet fully bullish. Needs to pass 284.74. Strong passes that one. We're looking at 288 and 292.65 to come next. If it gets weaker again, and goes below 282, we're looking at 279, and probably it's gonna hold at 280. This one has a big run last few weeks, so I guess right now it's time for the other names. Tesla, it's above 260. 260.41, that's a key level to watch. Pre-market right now, 5 15:30 is upward for 1 hour, is giving a golden cross. That's a very good sign. Keep in mind that Tesla is releasing the quarterly sales, as I saw in the fin tweet. It seems like it's gonna do on Sunday. Before they were doing it on Thursday, but right now it seems like they're doing it on Sunday. So if it passes 260.41, then we're looking at 262, 264, and 266.67. If it gets crazy and passes 266, it can run to 269 and 272. It's all about actions today. So if it runs up, that means market expected to have a good number, and most likely they will have a good number. The question is how good it's gonna be, and is the numbers are priced in, because the stock went already a lot higher. So we have to see. It's gonna be a risk swinging Tesla, but the risk to upside is lower. We'll see. We'll see what happens on Monday. Um, Microsoft, Microsoft is getting to 338. Pre-market direction looking up. 338.85 passes. We're looking at 341, 344, 348. Apple reaching 3 trillion. So Microsoft should most likely follow through and follows it. That's how it's been. When they reach 1 trillion or 2 trillion, that's what happened. Microsoft followed Apple too. And then right now Apple is going up, so that one should follow too. Google is getting setting a little bit bullish too. It needs to pass 121.41. Passes 121.41. We're looking at 124 next. 122, 123, and 124.28. Daily, we need to see some yellow bar. Once we see that, then that's gonna be a good sign for run up. AMD, it's above 112.21. That's a major level. So right now 112.98 is a key level to watch. That one breaks, we're looking at 114, 115.47. It's setting up bullish again. Everything looking bullish pre-market. It's just if the 5 MACD dead crosses, then it's not gonna be good. But if it does passes, um, if the 5 MACD on any name you see at the open that crosses, that's gonna be that, it's gonna be a turnaround at the open. So be careful. But until the 5 MACD is not dead cross, or the 15 doesn't show a dark blue bar TTM squeeze on any name, we can continue going higher and non-stop. You never know, maybe it gets a more squeeze to the high of the year. um, on indexes, I mean. Boeing, it's above 211. Key level to watch is 214.61. Pre-market direction is up. 1 hour is about to golden cross. 4 hours still bullish. We got dark blue bars. Daily, weekly is still downward, but they're holding up. So it's all about 214. 214 passes. We're gonna go to the higher level. 223.2. This is the next main target. SPY, it's at getting close to that 442.03. Passes that one, we're looking at 443.71, 446, and 449.14. QQQ, direction, everything is up. So 367 is passing. 370 is the next target. 370.86 passes. 375.1 can come. Let's go fast on the other names. Coin, 74 reach there. Few times touch, pulled back. Today is looking stronger. Passes is strong. We're looking at 76, 78.52. LRCX, next levels are 643, 648, 44. Passes that one. We can go to 661. MSTR 350 reaches. Right now is holding up there. You can see here the 30 minutes. It's showing dark blue bar, so there's a little bit weakness. Let me look at BTC. Yeah, BTC is pulling back. So you see BTC, 5 minutes MACD dead cross, and the 15 gives in dark blue bar. So then the MSTR, it's holding up a little bit, and it's curving down the 5 minutes. So this is when you see when something is on the rise, you see 30 minutes, the dark blue bar, that's when you want to get out. Nike didn't have a good earning, and but this market is very bullish. It might recover and go up again. So if it recovers, 112, 114, and 116.31 is the next target. MDB is above the high of yesterday. 410 passes. We're looking at 413.97, 419.49, and 426.52 is my next major target. RIVN getting to the target. 16.25, 16.36 is almost there. I need to get a 15 minutes MACD golden cross, then it can passes that. If it passes 1636, then you never know, maybe a squeeze to 1746. B2, and my computer is stuck. Come on. So anyhow, Thinkorswim is stuck on my computer right now. I don't know for what reason. My other computer works. So anyhow, B2, what else we got? Okay, all right. Send the report. All right, B2, B2 is pulling back because of BTC is pulling back right now a little bit. What else we got here? JP Morgan. Next targets are 145.85. Passes that one, 148, 151. Doubt it gets to 153, but 150 is, you never know. What else we got? Yuri is on the rise there, non-stop going higher. MS. Costco looking a little bit bullish pre-market. That's interesting too. So it's about 532. 536.01 is the next target. Passes that one, 540, 547. Let me look at my scanner. If there's any symbol, let me know. AVGO, 867, 873.48. Passes that one. It can get close to 900. If semis go to get crazy, this one can go to 900. What else? DE is on top of my scanner too. 405.49 is a key level to watch. That one breaks. The high of this season was like 417, so that's a possibility to come. All right, Daniel. Good morning, Dell. I don't have levels on Dell, but I can tell you for the technicals. Dell pre-market looking very, very, very bullish. This one is very bullish on weekly, daily, 4 hour, and everything is upward and direction is up. I don't have the levels, I can get it for you later. But this one is on the run for sure. Until you don't see names like this, until you don't see a 4 hour dead cross or like a 4 hour the dark blue bar, this one can continue higher. All right, best of luck, and as always, if you like, join the service, say the option. If you just want levels, there is chartwiser.com, and please like and share, and have a beautiful, lovely day.